I'm going to be plugging you guys by giving you guys tips on how to smell good on a budget. Hi guys, welcome back to Radzeyyy the Plug Wednesdays, and if you are new, welcome fam. We're on episode 4. So today I'm going to be plugging you guys by giving you guys tips on how to smell good on a budget. So let's get right into it. The first tip that I have is the one and only, the obvious: you need to bath, you need to shower. Simple. And the second tip is to make sure that your scents match. So you can't use blueberry soap and then you want to use a strawberry perfume and then you want to use a mint body spray. I don't know, it just won't mix. So you need to make sure that your perfumes match. For example, my body spray is Yardley Gorgeous in Black, which matches with this one from Scarlett, Midnight Gold, which also matches with Perfumes Electra, and I have Untold by Arden. Right, so those match. It just makes sense, you guys. And then the next tip is basically work from within. Right, you need to deal with your natural scent first before you deal with it using perfumes and stuff. And how do you do that? You do that by, number one, drinking more water. The obvious reason, drinking more water. The second one, avoid having spicy foods too often, because spicy foods quickly reflect on your underarms. For example, if you eat curry a lot, like in your day-to-day meal, it's gonna reflect on your underarms. So avoid spicy foods. Number 3, when you go for juice or you go for fruit, go for pineapple and cranberry. Anything pineapple and cranberry. If you're buying your juice concentrate, go for pineapple. It's gonna help with your natural scent, especially with your sensitive areas. That's one tip that I can give you. It helps 100%. And then I think this is the last but not least tip. It goes to my ladies who are gifted chest wise, body rolls wise, and now it's summer here in South Africa and you're gonna be sweating more. So my tip is put baby powder. Put baby powder on your chest, put baby powder on your body rolls. That will prevent you from sweating more, and it will also prevent your sweat from releasing a negative odor per se. So those are my tips today. Radzeyyy the Plug Wednesdays for smelling good on a budget. I love you guys and Jesus loves you much, much more. See you next week. Mwah.